So let's get into it. We're talking about the new Coach Alie camera bag. So here's the bag. So it normally retails for $3.75. I got it for $2.25, I believe. Yeah, I got it for $2.25. Do I think it's worth it? Yes, I definitely do. So like I said in a previous video, I mostly carry tote bags. So I was like, okay, it's summertime. I need something that's just not my big bag to carry around. I need something I can just, you know, throw on me and carry a few quick items, right? So this has had to be it. So taupe is in style. I always love the color taupe and things like that. So this is like a really, really pretty weaving on the front of this, cute emblem. I love how you can also carry it like this if you want to. It has 2 zippers and it zips all the way around, as you can see. So I can just move these zippers like up if I want to and have them hanging up here at the top. They also, of course, have Coach written on them. I don't think that you can see that. Let's talk about the chain. The chain is detachable. So if I just wanted to keep it as a handbag, I can. Of course, this chain is very heavy. I like heavy chains. It makes me feel like it's really good material. So yeah, the thing is still on here. So let me go ahead and break that off. Whoop, there you go. Oh. Okay, so if I just want to carry it like this, I can. Super cute, really portable. Then attach the chain back if that's what I want to do. So I'm going to go ahead and reattach the chain for you and we'll open it up. This got here, I'll say, about in 4 days. I bought it along with the Cassie 19, which I love that purse. And so this is how you're going to open it. I already have stuff in it. One thing I would say, so this is expandable. As you see, the sides of it are expandable. I kind of almost wish that when I pulled it back that it would go flat like this, like completely open all the way like this, like, you know, like one side. I feel that I would be able to fit more stuff in it that way. So I already have a face mask in here. Oh, you know where we are in society. Okay, so this is how it opens up. Let me actually take my credit card and stuff. Okay. So this is in my AirPods. So yeah, you can see I put a lot in here. It fits my phone. I have an iPhone 11. It fits my credit cards, face mask, lip gloss, AirPods. But this is how it opens up. And that's why I'm saying it's just kind of difficult like to expand, but I still think it's worth it. I think it should honestly kind of be priced lower. Like I got the Cassie 19, which I'm in love with, like I said before, for $177, and this bag right here is $225. I feel that this bag should have been around the same price. Honestly, I expected the Cassie to be more. I expected the Cassie to be $225 and this to be like $175. This is kind of what I feel that it's worth. $175, maybe $200 at the most. So there's that. But yeah, it has the card pockets right here. And that's pretty much all that you're putting in it. This, when I'm standing up, it kind of hits me right also at my thigh. These straps are not adjustable, I don't think. They look, I'm trying to see if they are, but I mean, I think you can always switch out the straps, but I don't really think that these straps are adjustable. You might be able to find a way to loop it differently. But yeah, this is still on the website. It's still on sale. I would still buy it because it's still cheaper than some of the other purses that I have and the other purses that are out there on the market. I think it looks very unique. Like I said, you can carry your essentials. I definitely am going to take this to one of the music festivals that we're going to have this year, COVID permitting. That's what I'm going to do. I like the cute Coach emblem right here. And yeah, this is the back of it, I guess. You see, it doesn't go all the way around. The weaving is just right here. I think this is a gorgeous bag. I'm very glad that I discovered it randomly. I don't even know how. I don't know what targeted ad sent me. Maybe I typed in taupe or cream, you know, bags, but this is what came up and I think it's worth it. This is just a quick video to say good job to Coach, and I would purchase this. So stay tuned for some of my other videos and I'll talk to you next time.